Positive Quotes, Part 12. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired. Inspiring inputs. Positivity always wins. Always. Your positivity can become a castle around you, which will protect you from the arrow of negativity. Positive thoughts are not enough. There have to be positive feelings and positive actions. Stay positive. Invest in yourself. Trust your instincts. Lead with an open heart. Don't let others ruin your day. Do things that bring you joy. Be of service to humanity. Find your soul tribe. Love yourself. Conviction is much more powerful than positive thinking. I am not a product of my circumstances. I am a product of my decisions. Of the 35,000 decisions you make each day, how many are positive, negative, fear-based, or love-based? Check out. We are limited, but we can push back the borders of our limitations. Keep calm and keep learning. Your happiness cannot be taken by the others if it is not given by the others. Live as if your prayers are to be answered. The most important thing is to look ahead. The past is your anchor. Accept the fact that all events occur for a reason and that it is within your capacity to see this reason as positive. No matter what the situation, remind yourself, I have a choice. It only ends once. Anything that happens before that is just progress. Clouds come floating into my life, no longer to carry rain or usher storm, but to add color to my sunset sky. You reap fruit from the same kind of seed you have been sowing. You can't talk negative and expect to live positive. I do not try to dance better than anyone else. I only try to dance better than myself. That which does not kill us makes us stronger. The best is yet to be. There is a sense that things, if you keep positive and optimistic about what can be done, do work out. Too positive to be doubtful, too optimistic to be fearful, and too determined to be defeated. We are all in the gutter, but some of us are looking at the stars. There is not anything that I cannot be, or do, or have. One may go a long way after one is tired. Feed your inner person encouraging things that build you up and cause you to be positive, hopeful, and inspired. Spring is nature's way of saying, let us party. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please press round button and subscribe. Your comments are welcome.